Hey guys, long time no see. I hope you had an amazing holiday season. Mine was pretty good, so good that it took me this long to get back into things. But today I am filming my first video of 2020 and it's one I'm really excited about. So if you have come across Nikki tutorials here on YouTube, I'm sure you're familiar with this video. She did a video called The Power of Makeup where she basically does half her face, she does a full makeup, and then the other half of her face is bare, makeup free. And the video is essentially showing the power of makeup and showing the contrast between the two sides. And I remember watching that video thinking like, that's such a cool concept, such a good video, and I kind of wanted to recreate it myself, but my makeup skills aren't Nikki levels and I'm more on the side of fashion anyways, so I figured let me recreate this video but make it fashion. So I came up with the power of accessories. So essentially I'm gonna have a base outfit, so that's my bare face, and then we're gonna build 3 different outfits using 3 different sets of accessories. The point will be to show you the power of accessories and how much they can change an outfit and change a look and just the whole vibe of an outfit just by changing your accessories. So I will show you the base outfit and the 3 different outfits, and I hope I explained that well, but either way I think the video is pretty self-explanatory. So let's get right into it. So here is the base outfit that we're about to transform 3 completely different ways, 3 different vibes with the 3 different sets of accessories. So for the base outfit, I went with this white long sleeve fitted turtleneck from Aritzia, and I tucked it into my current favorite pants, which are these pants from Oak and Fort. Alright, let's see what these accessories can do.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving the for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink so I don't get it. I must be high but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk, I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving up for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you.